Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to do a seamless color change. In this example I'll use 3 rounds. Round 1 is a regular round, round 2 is the round before the color change, and round 3 is the round where the actual color change happens. So we'll be changing from yellow to blue. I will indicate in my patterns when I use this technique and what round I use this technique on. That way it's easier for you to see what I'm doing. Anyways, so let's start with round 1. Work the previous round as written, but when you're working the last stitch, go ahead and insert your hook into the last stitch of the round. Pull up a loop, and then instead of yarning over with the yellow yarn, we're going to yarn over with the blue yarn. So kind of like you're just changing colors normally, but I'll show you in the next round the difference. So we're going to start the next round. For the first stitch of the round, we're going to drop our blue yarn, grab our yellow yarn, insert our hook into the next stitch, pull up that yellow loop. So now we have a yellow and a blue loop on our hook. Drop that yellow yarn and pick up that blue yarn, yarn over, and that's our first stitch for the next round, so round 2, which is the round of the color change. So I'll keep doing that for the next 3 rounds slowly so you can see what I'm doing. So drop blue, pick up yellow, insert hook into the next stitch, pull up yellow, drop yellow, pick up blue, yarn over with blue. So here we are 4 stitches later. As you can see, there's a seamless change in color in this round already. So that's why I like to use this technique. I like to use it whenever I'm changing colors, like kind of like a shirt look or a shoe to a pants look. It just eliminates the color bleed when you just do a regular back loop color change. So I'll keep doing this for the entire round. When you get proficient at this, you're actually able to hold both yarns in one hand instead of dropping yarn for the whole round. So I'll do it slowly throughout. That way you can see what I'm doing. So here we are for the last stitch of the round. Alright, so here's what it looks like after round 2, which is when we do the technique. So as you can see, there's no color bleed, which is pretty cool. So in my patterns, after I use the seamless color change technique, I usually tell you to fasten off the previous color, which is yellow here in this example. So fasten off the previous color, and then we're going to work the next round in the back loops only. So I'll show you what that looks like. When you do just a regular color change and you work in the back loops, you usually have a little bit of color bleed, which is fine, but I personally like to use this technique because why not? I like a cleaner look. So this is what it looks like after you do the back loop stitches, if you do the seamless color change technique. So hopefully this video helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.